It only takes 5 minutes and 3 ingredients to make delicious cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, add cream cheese at room temperature. At room temperature, it's easy to mix and lumps don't form. Next, add icing sugar. If you don't have any, you can check out our video on how to easily make it. We'll put the link in the description. Mix with beaters, a stand mixer, or a whisk. Mix well so it turns out soft and creamy. In another bowl, add whipping cream. You can also add vanilla extract or another flavoring of your choice. We didn't add any this time. Mix the cream until soft peaks form. Now add the whipped cream to the cream cheese and icing sugar mixture. It's important to fold together gently to preserve the air bubbles in the whipped cream. It's best to use a spatula. Don't overmix. This gives the frosting a light, fluffy texture. We're spreading the frosting with a spatula here, but you can also use piping bags to decorate. We topped our red velvet cake with this delicious cream cheese icing, some cranberries, and sliced almonds. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. If you liked our cream cheese frosting video, we think you'll enjoy this one too.